Hi everyone, we've got quite a new kind of overhead projector here, also old school type, and it can fold up. As you can see, it's not unfolded yet. Okay, let's set it up. Okay, so now it's set up. This is how it looks like. I don't know what brand it is, but it looks so similar to a Parrot. Parrot range of overhead projectors, but not sure. And this is a white one. I've seen grey ones that looks the same. I don't know if it's the same make. But this looks like a higher end model, if it's a Parrot indeed. And it's got a flipping mirror. Should open it before we switch it on, according to the instructions. Maybe that's because you can get too much heat build-up in the casing. Single element lens, although it looks like it could be a multi-element lens, but it's really single. And looks like the head is this big shape just to get the mirror the right distance from the projection lens. Okay, there you can see there's also a custom dimmer, stepless dimmer, and also the stepping switch. That was the original one. The rotating switch has been fitted later on. Spare lamp switcher and color control. Color fringing that also lowers or highes the lamp housing. Okay, while it's still cold, let's have a look inside. Okay, it's got the, I think it's quite easy to open it. You don't need any special tools. I think just pressing this button. Okay, and the workstage lifts. Okay, it's got its own stand there. Quite nice. You can see the lamp house, the lamp unit. It's got the condenser lens. This looks like a concave or convex lens. There's no aberration when you look from the side. No distortion of the lamp image. Again, the concave reflector still looks nice. Okay, there you can see the color edging control, just lowers or highes the lamp housing. And then to replace the lamp, you should just open the condenser lens plate. Okay, there you can see concave or convex lens, yes. And the spare lamp as well mechanism. And a high-speed fan. Now this fan, as you can see, is directed to the lamp housing. So it wants to cool down the source of the heat instead of removing the heat from the Fresnel lens. By the way, I learned that it's not a Fresnel lens, it's pronounced Fresnel. So it tries to dissipate the heat directly from the source, but you've got a noisy fan to do that. Again, this housing looks quite more shallow than others I've seen. So I don't know if the distance between the lamp housing and the Fresnel lens is shorter, which will mean that the Fresnel lens will need to have a shorter focal length, or you will need to have a bigger projection lens. Okay, let's look at the Fresnel lens. It's just clipped into position. It seems so you can just unclip it and then clean it, I suppose. Okay, let's close here. Okay, closed. There you can see it's got a fuse, and there's the transformer. By the way, this is a 36-volt lamp, not 24 volts, although the base looks the same. And it's 300 watt. Now, I'm not sure, maybe you can fit the 36-volt lamp into a 24-volt projector and it will run at a lower wattage, but I'm not sure. The calculations are not linear because there is heat involved and the resistance of the lamp changes, so I wouldn't try that. But I wouldn't say I wouldn't experiment on that either. Okay, there you can see the custom fitted rotary dimmer switch. Okay, so let's switch it on. The transparency, just from a plastic bag. Okay, that you can hear the fan, it's really a powerful one. Okay, the dimmer switch is all the way down, so we can gracefully start the lamp. Okay. That should be bright enough. Okay, it's just a bit from halfway. It's a bit shaky when focusing, but still sturdy. And you can see many parts are plastic, made from plastic, including the head. Should make it a little bit lighter. Now the nice thing about this projection head is that it can turn sideways. It can even have a diamond-shaped projection. But the idea is to turn it 90 degrees at a time. And here you have an air intake, and the exhaust part is on the other side. Okay, let's check the color fringing. Let's just first lift it properly. lower edge so you can see it clearly. Okay, I'm gonna turn this color fringing knob, as they call it. Clockwise. Now we're getting a blue edge. Turning it anti-clockwise. It's a yellow edging. Now the edging problem comes when you focus the arm too high or too low due to distance from the screen, and then light from the Fresnel lens overlaps the projection lens, or the light from the projection lens overlaps with the mirror. Okay, let's see how low it can dim. Okay, very low. You can use it in a very dark room. So I'll just turn it all the way down. Turn the lamp down off gracefully. And let it run for a while, and then it can cool down properly. Well, I think that's that for this show, and thanks for watching.